This is Matt. I got a few new items. Got this Belgian car, a Swiss Coca-Cola, and Migros car. They were sold to me as Marklin on the internet, but they weren't. I don't think they're Marklin. I think they're something else. And this is I bought from Trainz. I got it for $240. I thought it was a really good deal. The BR39. Really looks good. It has sound. A couple whistles, functions. Got pulling a couple DRG coach set there. Looks nice. And I've started to work on a ramp to go to a higher level there on this end. And on this end is going to be just a switchback. Probably we won't be able to see much of that, hopefully. We'll go into a tunnel. And I'll show you the car set I already had for the engine. What do I do with the box? Oh, here it is. Here's the box. It's 39,392. Really nice engine. MFX. Era 2 BR39. Cool. My little dog here. Console. And from the European Train Enthusiast Club, I was telling about my woes about my CSS not working. And I got this one from the president. He sold it to me extremely nice price. I drove over to Orlando to get it. Here they come down the tracks here. I really like these tarped cars. I have a few other ones. I like the Coca-Cola car. Migros. Here's a good shot of this engine. It's cool. Daughter. I'm a big kid. I'll pull this around. Turn the sound on. So I'll just give you the sound functions. It's got the lights. You see them? The light firebox. I really like the ones that have the light with fireboxes. I think that really is something they all should have. Oh, hell breaking loose over there with the dog. Pick him up! So that's my latest engine. I have my Burlington Northern Santa Fe still on order. And I bought a Loco Ski Championship locomotive, a more modern one. Really looking forward to it showing up soon. I'll make a video when those two locomotives come. I bought them from Eurorail Hobbies. Really looks good. Thanks for watching.